Hello, 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 and how are y'all doing today? And thank you for coming back to my channel. So today I will be doing an unboxing. As you see in my title, y'all see what I'm unboxing. So let's get into it. So I went to Neiman Marcus. Yes. So the story behind these babies, I went to visit my sister, and my whole intention was going to the perfume counter and get some perfume. But me want to browse around. So I have went on a website, and then you know, when you go on Google, other website pops up, and Jimmy Choo popped up, and I seen this item. And when I seen this item, I didn't believe it. I couldn't believe it. I said, let me go on the actual website. Let me go in the website and see, is this real? So yes, it's real. So here we go. Let's take this big old box out of this bag. And here we go. Yes. For one thing, I already love the box. It's a pretty gold box. I mean, when I say like so pretty. Here we go. You open it. That's where you see it. And you get a tote. So it said, okay, well, could have been made a little better, but hey, whatever. So it's a Timberland, Jimmy Choo, and on this side it said Jimmy Choo and Timberland. So I would never thought in a million years that they would collabo together. I gotta read the background on that. I gotta go on the website and see what was up with that, because I would never thought Jimmy Choo, out of all these designers, would collabo with Timberland. But here we go. Paper. And here we go. Look at these shoes. Look at these boots. They are so beautiful. Look at that. That's so super cute. And they have this crystals all the way around. When I say in person, these boots bling. So like I said, I seen these boots on the website before I even went in the store. So when I was browsing around, bam, it was right there. It smacked me right in the face. I was like, you know what? God, you know I was eyeballing these boots. And look at that. Look at that. You guys, crystal, man, look at that. All the way around. See Jimmy Choo right there in the back. Oh my goodness. And then you see the crystals right there. When you said this, oh my gosh. So they had this pair and they had the other pair. They had another pair like this color wheat, and this was plain, but it had Jimmy Choo across here. And I think this right here was kind of plain. I think it was gold and had some gold like kind of glitter. It was cute. They were cute, but these babies right here caught my eye. And when I was like, I'll wear a size 5. She's like, well, these are women, so you had to go by women's size. So I like, well, I wear 6.5. She said, okay, I'm gonna check and see we have it. She came out and she was like, this is the only 6.5 pair left. And I already knew it was meant for me to have them because that's how I shop. When I go places and when they don't have my size and they said they will order them, I said, nope, not meant for me to have them. And this happened to me numerous of times when I went to places that didn't have my size, and then it was places that have my size or anything I'm going to get or whatever I want. It was meant for me to get them. It was meant for me to get these boots. I wanted these things. I kept looking at them online. And guess who the first celebrity I saw with these boots on? J-Lo. You know it. You know she was going to get her a pair. And they had another pair with the crystals all over, covered with the boot. And I think I seen Megan Thee Stallion. She did an unboxing. I think she had those. So I'm going to have to post them up. And then he had a black pair. The black pair was kind of basic, you know. It was real basic. But these babies right here. Yeah, so now I got to find a perfect outfit for them. And I do own some Timberlands, but I really don't wear Timberlands like that because I'm like, I really don't wear sneakers and boots. It's only selective. It depends what I wear, but I definitely got to find, look at that, the right outfit for these. Guys, oh my goodness. Look at that. They did something here. Oh my goodness. I just can't stop looking at them. They are so bomb. But anyway, so here's my unboxing. Okay, Jimmy Choo in Timberland collabo. And thanks for visiting my channel. And everyone have a blessed day. Thank you again, and subscribe and like. Bye.